Bella, and today I will be making slime. This was a tester from earlier, before we started the video, and I thought it was cool. Anyway, what you're going to be needing is borax glue. It has to be Elmer's glue, or else it won't work. Elmer's glue. You're going to need some water, and you're going to need 2 bowls, 1 cup, half a cup, spoon or popsicle sticks. If you're going to use popsicle sticks, I suggest you use 2 or 4, and a teaspoon, and color dye if you want. First thing you're going to do is get 1 cup of water into a bowl. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your teaspoon and get 1 teaspoon of borax and put it into the bowl. Then you're going to stir. You're going to stir it until your borax dissolves and it's going to look clear. When it's done, you're going to put your color dye in. You're going to put 4 drops of color dye when it's dissolved. I chose yellow because, just because. And looks like my borax is dissolved. So that means we put our 4 drops of color dye in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Then you're going to stir. It's not going to be that much stirring, just until it looks yellow. Then you're going to put this bowl to the side. And then you're going to put half a cup. Well, you're going to get your other bowl and put half a cup of water into your other bowl. Then you're going to put half a cup of glue into your large bowl, or your bowl. And just as a reminder, you have to use Elmer's glue or else it won't work. Just as a reminder. And when you pour in your glue, it's important to make sure you get all of it, or not all of it, just most of it. And when you're done with that, you're going to stir. And by the way, my name is Bella. I am 10 years old, just turned 10 2 days ago on Christmas. And I am in 4th grade. And our glue is stirred. And then you're gonna put your yellow dye into your glue. Then you're gonna knead it. You're gonna take it out of the bowl and knead it. Okay, it's still a little watery, so you're gonna keep it over the bowl until it stops being watery. You're gonna squeeze, and you're gonna notice it's getting sticky. That means that's a good sign. And when it's done, when it's dry and it's sticky, you can put it onto the table or whatever you're working with. And you're gonna just keep on kneading until it looks like our tester up here. we're gonna just keep on kneading. Kind of do this. It's really sticky and stretchy. You're gonna want to knead it really good. When it starts to come off your hands, then that means it's close. It's almost done. And you're gonna keep, and it's starting to come off your hands. That's good. And the fun thing is you get to play with it. And yeah. Looks like we're all done, or almost done. Thank you. Bye.